Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about iOS 15.5 Beta 3. Apple released iOS 15.5 Beta 3 to registered developers, and this update can be the last major iOS 15 point update that we are getting now, because after the release of iOS 15.4 last month, Apple is working on iOS 15.5, which will be the last major update of iOS 15, because we are getting so close to iOS 16 release. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can't wait for iOS 16. I know you guys are excited too. If you are, let me know down in comments below what all features you are looking forward to. We'll be making a wish list video sharing my features, that what all features and changes I want Apple to add in iOS 16 update. I seriously can't wait for iOS 16. Oh my god, it's gonna be big. Now let's start with iOS 15.5 Beta 3 and what's new. This update came at around 500 to 550 MB on my devices, and on iOS 15.5 Beta 3 there is not a lot that is different really. There are some major bug fixes, one of the prominent one being the Apple Weather app tweaks. There was an issue in Apple Weather app where it was just saying report an issue, and the button of report an issue was just not working and not responding. I also faced this issue, but I did not really thought that it is such a big issue. But yes, it is now resolved in iOS 15.5 Beta 3. So if my audio sound a bit weird, I'm so sorry. I'm not at my studio. As you guys know, I'm at Bangalore right now. Don't worry, I will be back in my studio really soon, and will be making a lot of videos for you guys. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I have a lot of big things planned for this channel, and you guys do not want to miss dope videos that are in the pipeline. Then there are some minor changes. For example, the Apple Pay app, the pay and receive button was just glitching for some people, and it is now fixed in this update. As I said, there is not a lot to talk about in this update, and on my iPhone 12 this feels pretty normal. But yes, my iPhone 12 is getting heated up a bit, and that is actually still normal because it is a beta. But okay, see, we are at one of the last stages of iOS 15, and heating issues on beta on iPhone 12, this is not really exactly really old device. It's a bit weird, but okay, alright, I'm gonna give some time and share my review, my full review really soon with you guys, so stay tuned. Battery life is something that is a bit too early to report as of now, as of recording of this video, but as far as I have tested, the battery seems to be pretty much alright and pretty much the same as the beta 2. There is not a lot that is changed. As I said, this update is basically a minor fix, minor bug improvements and fixes, changes and all are there. There are not exactly a lot of things new in this update. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you didn't ended up liking this video, and if you think this video was informative, consider hitting that subscribe button. As you know, we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as I can, so hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.